Welcome to Elite Technique, the all-in-one fence software built to make your business work smarter, not harder. Today we're going over how to create a proposal using the drawing tool and the Create Proposal option. Let's get started. When in the CRM Automated Dashboard, go into either the Open Leads, Scheduled Appointment, or Proposal Outstanding bin. Choose an opportunity and click on View. Select the Create Proposal option, which will take us to the address we had input into the opportunity that we chose. Our system is connected with Google Earth API, so if your drawing is off, it will be by inches, not feet. Draw your fence and add in your gates. Our fence calculator will let you know exactly how many posts you need to complete this job. Click on Save and choose Materials to advance to the next stage. Click on Edit located on the upper left part of the screen. You can select exactly what to show the customer in your breakdown view options. There are three options. Order lines, where you show the customer every product and product variant needed line by line. You can select to show quantities, unit price, and even subtotal if desired. The most popular breakdown view option by far is Summary, where the system will prompt you to update a description. Whatever you choose to type will be exactly what the customer will see. And Sections, where you can display the name of the section and the subtotal if wanted. You can also choose to show the labor cost with its subtotal here. Click on the little globe icon where it says Customer Preview to preview exactly what the customer will see. They can access this information without having to download anything or without the need of credentials. They can also accept and sign here. If your system is linked with any of our payment providers, you can even take payments directly. Our proposals always include special notes and the drawing of the fence you made. This is what a default proposal looks like, but you can customize it if you decide to upgrade to the Elite Custom version / package. Click on Back to Edit mode to go back to editing the proposal. There's also a PDF printable version of this proposal if necessary. Next, we proceed to edit any product that we chose to be highlighted in the order line section when we created it. These products will appear in red. Just click on them and then click on the little pencil to edit them. Hit Save to complete the process. Now click on the Labor Cost tab. Adjust any labor cost and quantities if needed. It's important to note that the labor cost will only be pulled into the proposal if your labor cost templates have been created and are up to date. Click on Yes or No next to where it says Checklist. This is intended for both our install team and the customer. Here we mark any particular needs that the job has or anything that's important to know. It also creates commitment to any agreement between you and the customer. This is our default checklist, but like almost everything in our system, it is 100% customizable for an additional fee. Click on Estimate BOM so we know exactly what we need down to the very last picket and nail or screw. At this point, you can perform any changes in terms of quantities or unit price. Don't forget to hit Save to complete the process when you're satisfied. All there's left is to send our complete proposal to the customer via email without leaving Elite Technique. Click on Send by Email and you'll be taken to a screen where you can select any additional parties this email will be sent to. You can modify the subject and the body of the email manually or by means of templates, and you can even attach more files or documents. Hit Send when you're satisfied and that's it. We're all set. Remember that any information added to this proposal or in case anything is modified, you will see these changes in real time on the right side of the screen in the History / Log Note section, where you can also send any internal messages to the customer and the customer can reply via the portal where they view the proposal. You can schedule activities for anyone assigned to this proposal, attach any files, and even send SMS if you have that extra service activated in your system. Thank you very much.